How to create WeChat account without QR code. Now this method is actually doable. Using a QR code is actually one way of having a security feature of WeChat, but you should be able to create an account without QR code at first. To start, just go into your Google Play Store. Ensure that you're using the latest version of the application. Now open up your WeChat application. From here, you should be able to see login and sign up. Choose on sign up, and then here you can either choose sign up via mobile or sign up via Facebook, but for now let's choose on sign up via mobile. In the next page, you will be asked to enter your name, country, region, phone number, password. Just simply fill out those information at first, generally, and then on the next page, you should be able to see option that's going to be saying as select a security verification method. So this is where you can completely create your account without using a QR code. Now what you want to do from there is just choose on verify via payment card. Now once you have deposited any fund in there, you should be able to successfully create your account without using a QR code. And that is how you create WeChat account without QR code.